I'm telling you all of this because you're right and you can use it. I love him. I love Konstantin. I tell you honestly, if he had hurt himself, I wouldn't have gone on for living another minute. But I have Kurt said the same. I made up my mind. I want to tear out this love, tear it from the roots. By getting married. By getting married to Maryjenko. To be honestly in love and waiting for years to an end. When I'm married, I don't have to bother about love anymore. The old worries will fade out. Or at least it'll make a change, won't it? Should we have another? Don't look at me like that. Women drink a lot more than you think. A few do it in open like me, but mostly keep quiet about it. Oh yes, they do. And then there's always vodka or brandy and all the good stuff. My schoolmaster isn't that bright, but he's kind. He's poor and he's very much in love with me. I feel sorry for him in his old moment. I'm sorry we shan't see each other again. I wish you all the best. Thank you for being so nice to me and remember me kindly. Oh, and send me your books. I may write something in them. Not with respect, just put to Marcia. I don't know who she is or what she's doing in this earth.